Hituk Masoret HaMikra, Parashat Ki Tavo 6. There are two words in this parasha that are written one way and pronounced totally differently. It's not even close compared to what most creatives are, but this way, in this case, the word is written one way and changed totally. And one is in the Pasuk, Perek Kafhet, Pasuk Kaf Zayin, and the word is ba'epolim, written that way, but we read it, we say it, ubatehorim. We never say the written word. And the second is in Parashat Kafhet, Pasuk Lamed Aleph. Isha ta'ares v'ish acher, it's written yishgalena, but we don't say that. We say yishgavena. That a person, the woman will be betrothed, and somebody else will have a relationship with her. We say yishgavena. Rashi doesn't comment on the first one. He tries to give an explanation as to why this happens, but he talks about the second word, where there is some semblance of an understanding as to why it's changed. First, he says yishgalena is lashon shegal or shegel, pilegesh. It's a concubine. It's the language of a concubine who's there basically to service the master or the king. But then she writes v'katuv kinahu le'shevach yishkavena, that the pronunciation of this particular word is totally changed, and it's said in order to improve the concept of what we're talking about, not to have it so demeaning, that the word is pronounced yishkavena, is read yishkavena, not yishkalena. And then he said, v'tikun sofrim huzeh. It is a correction, an improvement and a correction made by the sofrim, by those who, like Azar Sofer and his whole group. Obviously, it came down from Moshe Rabbeinu, but Azar Sofer wrote it down, and he indicated as part of the Masoret that the word ought to be read differently from the way it's written. But what is it, the whole idea of Tikkun Sofrim? That sometimes the Sofrim, they write the word, or they state a particular idea exactly the way it's, and they write it down exactly the way it's supposed to be meant. But when it's verbalized in a different way in order to cover up, let's say, the grossness, the extent of the basicity of something like that. They cover it up and they say it in a way which is a little more accepting to the general public. So that's what's going on here. Instead of the word yishkalena, which means a concubine and what the concubine serves her master, they say yishkalena, that somebody else, in other words, that the woman was betrothed, but somebody else had a relationship with her. Not that she was in such a situation as a concubine would be. So it's what's called tikkun sofrim, an improvement in the stating, the verbalization of the word is an improvement over the idea, the actual idea that's written.